Today we start trigonometric function for class 11. Trigonometric functions. For class 11. Firstly, we will talk about angle. So, angle is represented by theta. In class 10, you know the unit of angle is degree. Angle is represented by degree. But in class 11, another unit also we study to measure the angle, and that is called radian. So there are two units to measure the angle. One is degree and another is radian. So angles are measured in both of the units, in degree as well as in radian. And there is interrelationship between degree and radian, which is 180 degree equals to pi radian. 180 degree equals to pi radian, and 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. 1 degree is equals to pi by 180 radian. And in radian, pi means, in radian pi is given by 22 by 7 or 3.14. The value of pi in radian, 22 by 7 is the value of pi in radian, or also 3.14. When we divide by 22 by 7, we get round off 3.14. So 1 degree equals to pi by 180 radian. So the first formula comes to be to convert from degree to radian. To convert from degree to radian, multiplied by pi by 180. To convert from degree to radian, multiply by pi by 180. To convert from degree to radian, we multiply by pi by 180. Suppose there is 30 degree and we have to convert it into radian. So we multiply by pi by 180. So we get pi by 6 radian. So 30 degree equals to pi by 6 radian. Suppose there is 60 degree and you have to convert in radian. So multiply by pi by 180. So 60 into pi by 180, we get pi by 3 radian. So this is the way to convert from degree to radian. Or to convert from degree to radian, we multiply by pi by 180. And the other formula, to convert from radian to degree. To convert from radian to degree, multiply by 180 by pi. To convert from radian to degree, multiply by 180 by pi. Suppose we are given pi by 6 radian and we have to convert it into degree. So pi by 6 we multiply by 180 by pi. So pi gets cancelled and it goes by 30. So we get 30 degree. 30 degree equals to pi by 6 radian and pi by 6 radian equals to 30 degree. Suppose you have to convert pi by 3 radian into degree. So pi by 3 multiply by 180 by pi and we get 60 degree. So these are the two formulas to convert from radian degree to radian. To convert from degree to radian, multiply by pi by 180, and to convert from radian to degree. To convert from radian to degree, multiply by 180 by pi. Now the other formula to convert from minute to degree. Minute is represented by sign dash. If you have to write 20 minutes, so 20 minutes is written as 20 dash. 30 minutes is written as 30 dash. So minute is represented by dash and second is represented by double dash. Second is represented by double dash. 20 second. This represents 20 second. 30 second. Double dash represents second and single dash represents minute. And 60 minute equals to 1 degree. 60 minute equals to 1 degree. It means 1 degree equals to 60 minute equals to 1 degree and 1 minute equals to 1 by 60 degree. So to convert from minute to degree, multiply by 1 by 60. To convert from minute to degree. To convert from minute to degree, multiply by 1 upon 60. If we have to convert from minute to degree, then we multiply by 1 by 60. And to convert from minute to second, to convert from minute to degree, we multiply by 1 by 60, and to convert from second to degree, multiply by 1 upon 3600, because in 1 minute there is 60 seconds. So these are the formulas which will be used in this exercise. Let us see questions of exercise 3.1. The first question is to find the radian measure corresponding to the degree measure. Find the radian measure. Find the radian measure. Means we have given the degree measure and we have to find its radian measure. The first is 25 degree. We have to convert into radian. So to convert, the first formula we use to convert from degree to radian, multiply by pi by 180. So 25 into pi by 180 degree. It goes by 5 and 36. 5 is 180. So the result comes to be 5 pi by 36. 5 pi by 36 radian. So 5 pi by 36 radian. It means 25 degree. 5 pi by 36 radian means 25 degree, and 25 degree is equals to 5 pi by 36 radian. The second part is minus 47 degree and 30 minutes. Minus 47 degree 30 minutes, we have to convert it into radian. So firstly we convert this minute into degree, and to convert from minute to degree multiply by 1 by 60. So we get minus 47 and 30 minutes, so plus 30 by 60. To convert from minute to degree, we will have to multiply by 1 by 60. So we get 30 2 ja 1 by 2. So minus 47 into 2, 94 plus 1, 95 by 2 degree. So in the very beginning, in the first, we will have to convert the minute into degree also. So minus 47 degree 30 minutes is written in terms of degree, minus 95 by 2 degrees. Then we have to convert it into radian. So minus 95 by 2 into, to convert from degree to radian, multiply by pi by 180. So 19 5s are 95 and 36 5s are 180. So we get the result minus 19 pi upon 36 into 2, 72 radian. Minus 19 pi by 72 radian. The third part is 240 degree. 240 degree. We have to convert this into radian. So 240, and to convert from degree to radian, multiply by pi by 180. So we get 6 4 ja 24, 6 3 ja 18. So 4 pi by 3 radian. 4 pi by 3 radian. The next part is 520 degree. 520 degree. So to convert it, multiply by pi by 180, and we get 26 into 2, 52, 9 2 ja 18. So 26 pi upon 9. 26 pi upon 9 radian. So this is the way to convert from degree to radian. To convert from degree to radian. Now we will learn how to convert from radian to degree. How to convert from radian to degree. The second number question, find the degree measure. Find the degree measure. Means radian measure is given. We have to convert from radian to degree. First part is 11 by 16 radian. We have given 11 by 16 radian. So second formula will be used to convert from radian to degree. Multiply by 180 by 5. So 11 by 16 into 180 by 5. And we will have to use the value of pi as 22 by 7. So 11 by 16 into 180 by pi is written as 22 by 7. So we get 11 by 16 into 180 by 1 into 7 by 22. Then we solve this. 8 2 ja 16, 90 2 ja 180, 11 2 ja 22, and 45 2 ja 90. And we get 11 into 11 by 16, we get 45 into 7. 11 and 11 also cancel. So 45 into 7 upon 8. 45 by 7 into 8 means 45 into 7. 315 upon 8 degree. But we can't write the degree in terms of fraction. We will have to write this in terms of degree, minute and second. So 315 divided by 8. We will have to divide 315 by 8. So it goes by 3, 8, 3 into 3, 24, 7 carry, 75, 8, 9 ja, 72. And the remainder comes to be 3. So this result, this quotient which comes is the degree measure. So we will write 39 degree. And the remainder 3 is also in degree. So now we will convert this remainder 3 into minute. And to convert from degree to minute, we will multiply by 180. Because the formula was 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. So convert from degree to minute, we will have to multiply by 100, multiply by 60. And 60 into 3, it comes 180. Now divide 180 by 8. Divide 180 by 8. So 8 2 ja 16. 2 carry and it comes 0. Again 8 2 ja 16 and remainder comes to be 4. So we get 22 minutes. This is minute. 22 minutes. Let us see once. We have to divide 315 by 8. So 8, 315, it goes by 3, 8 into 3, 24, 7 carry, 75, 8, 9 ja, 72, remainder comes to be 3. And this gives the degree measure, 39 degree. Remainder 3 is also in degree. So we convert this into minute. 3 multiplied by 60, we get 180. Because 1 degree equals to 60 minutes. So to convert from degree to minute, multiply by 60. Now divide again. 8 2 ja 16. 2 carry, it comes 0. Then again 8 2 ja 16. The remainder comes to be 4. Now the remainder is in minute. And here we will write minute. Then we convert this minute into second. And to convert from minute into second, we will have to again multiply by 60. So we get 240. Now divide 240 by 8. So 30 into 8, 240. Remainder comes 0. And this is second. So the final result comes to be 39 degree, 22 minutes and 30 seconds. So we have to write the value in degree, minute and second. See another question. This is -4 radian. -4 radian. We have to convert it into degree. So -4 into, to convert from radian to degree, multiply by 180 by 5. 180 by 5. So we get -4 into 180 upon 22 by 7 and minus 4 into 180 upon 1 into 7 upon 22. 11 twos are and 90 twos are 180. So we get 90 into 4, 360, and 360 into 7 divided by 11. So we get 0, 2520. 2 minus 2520 upon 11 degree minus 2520 upon 11 degree. Now we have to convert this degree into minute and second. So we divide 2520 by 11. 2520. So it goes by 2, 11 twos are 22, 3 carry, it comes 2, again 11 into 2, 22, 10, then it comes 0, 11 into 9, 99, and the remainder comes to be 1. So this is the degree value, 229 degree, and this is also in degree. So we convert it into minute, means 60 minutes. Now 11 5 are 55. Remainder comes to be 5. 11 5 are 55. The remainder comes to be 5. So 229 degree 5 minutes. Then this has been converted into minute, from degree to minute. Now we convert into second. So again multiply by 60. So it gives 300. And 11 twos are 22, 8 carry 0, 11 sevens are 77, 3 carry. Now if remainder comes again, then we will not divide now and we will write the result 229 degree 5 minutes and 27 seconds approx, because the remainder remains. So the answer is 229 degree 5 minutes and 27 seconds. 229 degree 5 minutes and 27 seconds approx. Because the remainder is not 0, that's why we will have to write the value approximately. This is the approx value. See next question. 5 pi by 3 radian. 5 pi by 3 radian, and we have to convert it into degree. So 5 pi by 3 multiply by 180 by 5, pi gets cancelled, 63 are 180 and 60 into 5, 300 degree. So 5 pi by 3 radian means 300 degree. 5 pi by 3 radian means 300 degree. Question number 4th, part 4, 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. This is in radian. We have to convert this into degree. So multiply by 180 by 5, pi gets cancelled, 30 into 7, 210 degree. 210 degree. Next, third question. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. A wheel makes 360 revolutions. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. A wheel makes 360 revolutions in 1 minute. Through how many radians does it turn? Through how many radians? Through how many radians? Does it turn in 1 second? In 1 second, how many radians the wheel turn? We have to calculate. So, in one revolution, in one complete revolution, the angle rotated is 360 degree, or 360 degree is written by 2 pi radian. So, in one complete revolution, in one complete revolution, angle rotated is 2 pi radian. 2 pi radian means 360 degree. In one complete revolution, angle rotated is 2 pi radian, and in 360 complete revolutions, we have given a wheel makes 360 revolutions. So in 360 revolutions, the angle rotated will be 360 into 2 pi radian. But this rotation is given in minute, and we have to convert, we have to find the angle rotated in 1 second. So we convert this into second. In one complete revolutions, angle rotated 2 pi radian in a minute. So this comes in minute. This is the angle rotated. 360 into 2 pi radian is the angle rotated in a minute, in 1 minute. So angle rotated in second. Angle rotated in second means per second. Angle rotated per second. So convert this per minute into second. This is per minute, and to convert in per second, divide by 60. We get 60 into 2 pi, 12 pi radian. So the result is, in 1 second, the angle rotated is 12 pi radian. In 1 second, the angle rotated is 12 pi radian. Now for the remaining questions, we will learn the new formula for the next questions. This is the circle of radius r. O is the center, r is the radius. OA equals to r. This is also radius. OB equals to r. And this is called arc. This is called arc. So radius OA and OB. Radius OA and OB having an arc AB, and angle subtended at the center is theta. Angle subtended at the center is theta. So the formula for finding the angle angle theta equals to arc upon radius. Arc means length of arc, which is represented by L. So theta equals to L by R. Theta equals to L by R, where L is in centimeter. L must be in centimeter. If in question the length of arc is given in meter, we have to convert it into centimeter. Radius also in centimeter. Length of arc L in centimeter, radius R in centimeter, and theta H in radians. So for using this formula, if theta is given in degree, we will have to convert it into radians. So theta equals to L by R, and for finding the length of R, we use the formula theta into R, and the unit of L will be in centimeter, and this is theta, the unit of theta in radians.